Hello, this is Tuck with Tuck GC. We're out in Alexandria, Virginia, in a neighborhood where we've done about 10 of these jobs. A lot of them have the apron and the driveway combo, which we're famous for. But we're out here, and I'm taking the video a little premature because I'm going to be out of town a few days. But I wanted to take a video before we did the final cleanup, just so you could see what this concrete looks like when it's wet and first poured. Let's take a closer look. So one of the first things you'll see if you look at the neighbor's apron, sometimes you see these short aprons, or if you look over here, they have the cut in with the asphalt, or you look over there, it's just the asphalt over the curb. But when you're doing these properly with the bonding and the permitting through VDOT, you're going to see that these typically come off the road, somewhere between 6, 7, 8, 9 feet. So in this particular case, the apron and the property line actually ends at that expansion joint up there. So even though there's not a sidewalk here, they make us install it with that 4-foot section with the sidewalk, and then the rest go into the street. So this is a CG9B. They let us use the smaller apron here because of the tight lot and not being able to fit in the larger one, but this is fully approved through VDOT with the proper permitting and bonding. Let's take a look at the rest of the work. So leading up to the house here, you see we have the lead walk from the street. Now this is another thing that VDOT does not allow. So what we did, and we've done in previous jobs, is we get what's called a perpetual maintenance agreement. This is something that needs to be put on the land records at the county, and it's basically releasing VDOT of the maintenance of this particular walkway since it goes across there right away. But we basically have the know-how to get that stuff done and get these things approved so you can keep your walkway on your project. Here's looking down to the street and then coming back up to the house. Project looks very nice. Good finish. This is a nice touch, doing the little walkway over to the driveway. See a couple steps down there. On that back corner of the walkway, can't get over there right now, but it is built up about 12 inches. That's because, again, this grade fell off tremendously. As you see, where this hill is at the top here, down to that driveway, that's how much dirt we took out. 3 big triaxle trucks of dirt. So in that back corner, it's elevated up. We did a turn down footing with support. We tied in a drain pipe there, which pops out over on the side of the driveway there in the bushes. And that's about it. So as always, thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you taking the time out of your day, and if you're looking for any concrete work like this, especially with the VDOT permit, we are the company to handle the project for you. We look forward to hearing from you. Take care.